Alright guys, today we're going to be covering interior angles of a triangle. This should be review. We should have seen this before, so this is going to be quick, and then all we're going to do is practice for Park. Interior angles of a triangle. Triangles have angles on each side. Interior angles must all add up to 180 degrees. So if I have this triangle here, there's an angle here, an angle here, an angle here, and all of these angles have to add up to 180 degrees. Let's move into an example. What is the value of x? Write an equation. Okay, well, I know that all three of these angles must add up to 180. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add these two angles together. 60 plus 60 equals 120. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 120 from 180 since I know that the other angle has to be the missing piece. 180 minus 120 is 60 degrees. The value of x equals 60, which makes sense because if I add 60 together 3 times, or just 60 times 3, it's going to give me 180. All right, if we want to write an equation, I want to think of adding these two things together, and I could write it as 180 minus x equals 120. And let me show you how that works. All I have to do here is solve for x. Subtract 180 from both sides because it's positive. If I do that, I get negative x equals negative 60. Now, if I divide by negative 1 to get rid of that negative, I have x equals 60, which makes sense because 60 degrees is our missing piece. Let's do another example. What is the value of angle S? Well, I have angle R being 64 degrees and angle T equaling 64 degrees as well. This missing piece has to add up to 180. So let's go ahead and add the two angles that we have together. 64 and 64 is going to give me 4 plus 4 is 8. 6 plus 6 is 12. That's going to be 128 degrees. So whatever this is, whatever angle S is the difference between 180 and 120. Let's do 180 minus 128 to get our answer. If we do that, we're going to come out with 52. So angle S is 52. Now, same deal. If I want to write an equation, I could just do 180 minus x equals 128. And again, if I subtract 180, negative x equals negative 52. If I divide by negative 1, x will equal 52. All right, guys, super easy lesson. Everything has to add up to 180. Let's go ahead and practice.